guys, so I'm coming to you live from Pan in the Park. We are in Victoria Park in a place in Ontario called Kitchener, and it's like a Caribbean event that's hosted every year. This is our first time here, so it's pretty much like steel pan music, Caribbean food, people playing like dominoes, and kids getting face paint, and it's just a good vibes, you know, mixing and mingling with people from the Caribbean diaspora. So yep, Pan in the Park in Victoria Park, Kitchener, Ontario. I like about events like these is that you get a chance to network. So interestingly, like being at the event and talking to different people from the Caribbean, what I realized, it's like a nice melting pot of Caribbean culture. And what is so interesting too is that like for every national, Caribbean national that I meet there, like if you meet someone from St. Vincent, if you meet like a young lady from St. Vincent, she's not married to a Vincent, and she's married to like someone from Trinidad, or if you meet a Jamaican, they're married to someone from Barbados. So it's a very mixed culture, and it also have like a good mix of African mixed into the Caribbean culture. So that was very interesting, you know, just to see the cultures coming together. We are about to get some jerk from the Big Jerk food truck. The best jerk chicken poutine I've had in Canada. And today we're going to try the jerk chicken and festival. Okay guys, so this is the beauty of Victoria Park. You know, Canada has a long history with the monarch. So that is Queen Victoria right there. Big statue of Queen Victoria. Looks like a bronze or something. So, yep, this park is massive. One of the biggest park, I would say, in Ontario. Very green, very well kept, massive park. Queen Victoria. So guys, I'm on a mission to take Caribbean culture to the world, because as I said in a lot of videos, a lot of people, when you talk about Canada, people just think of the great white north and they don't think that Canada is such a diverse country and that the Caribbean culture has such a big impact on Canada. So I'm on a mission to just take Caribbean culture to the world, like whether it's in North America, Europe, wherever Caribbean nationals are, that's where I'm heading. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe so I can continue to take the Caribbean to the world. And please remember to leave a comment in the comment section, and peace. I'm out.